Welcome to our DataBricks tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to work on the DataFrame. In DataFrame, we are going to change the column name from CamelCase to SnakeCase. Okay, by using Scala. So in our previous video, we have learned how to read a CSV data into data frame by using Scala. So in this section you are going to learn how to create a data frame and how can you change the column name from camel case to snake case. Okay, for this first of all we need some we have to import some libraries. Import okay, so here we are going to import some very basic libraries. Org dot Apache dot Spark dot SQL, and then we need SparkSession, and then we need rows. We need to generate some rows as well. Okay, then we need some additional library, for example SQL function and SQL types. So we are going to import Apache dot Spark dot dot SQL and all the function from SQL. Okay, then we need to okay, now we are going to import the data types also, types of okay, so we are going to import Spark dot SQL dot types like this. Okay, now we have to create a Spark session. So here create Spark session. So here val is the keyword. We are going to create a Spark session and Spark is our variable. Then Spark session dot build. Then we are going to name the app name that is camel to snake case. Okay, and dot get or create. Okay, now we have created our Spark session, so we have to define our schema as well. So in this case define the schema of data frame. So we are going to create a variable val that is schema, then StructType. StructType. So we are saying we are going to create an array. Okay, in array what we are going to do, we are going to create a struct field. Here you can see struct field. Okay, in StructField, first of all we are creating a column age, and then type of it age dot age comma integer type, integer type, and nullable is the another property. Integer type, and then nullable equal to true. Okay, then we are going to create another variable as well. So age now we are creating a new field for first name, and the data type is string type, and nullable equal to true. Then we are creating another variable city name. So we are creating 4 data types, and that is city name, and next one is country name. Okay, let's try to run this cell. Now our okay, so it is saying that SQL columns null int null equal to true. So okay, so that is array should be a capital. Okay, and we are going to rerun this. Oh, that is correct. Okay, now we have to define our define the data as a sequence of rows. First of all, we are going to create a new variable val as a data, then sequence like this. So first of all we need to create age is integer, that's why we are going to use 30. In sequence, first of all we need to create row. Okay, and in the first of all as per our data there should be age, then first name, it is John Ramsey, for example. City is New York, then country is USA. Okay, now we have to create another row for the same. Just copy this, and paste this, paste this, then close this. Okay, so now that is 832 41, and that is 25. Change the name, Alice Wang, Bob Builder, Ryan, Arjun, and we are going to change the city as a Los Angeles. Los Angeles. put the comma and run the cell. Now we have the uh, schema of the data and we have the data right now. Now we have to bind this data into the data frame. So first of all you have to create a variable, a data frame variable df dot, then you have to use spark dot create data frame. Okay, now first of all we have to read our data from the data variable. So spark dot spark context dot parallelize. Now the name of our variable is data. Okay, now we have to pass our schema. Okay, now you uh, display data frame df dot show and run this command. Now let's see the data frame schema. So df dot print schema. Okay, so you can see the schema. Now we want to convert these camel case to snake case, so we need a patterns to identify. So every word, if your column name uh, getting uppercase uh, alphabet in your column name, then we are going to truncate it, and then we are going to apply snake case. Okay, so we have to split our data, our string first name as a string on once you are getting any uppercase. So here we need to define pattern. So we are going to define the patterns. Here we are going to create a new variable where Regex the pattern. This is the name. Okay, so we are going to pass the value like this equal dot r. Okay, so here we are going to create a new column to read all the columns from the data from columns and split them on the basis of our pattern, and then we are going to apply some condition. If split name length is greater than 1, then we are going to make a string with the snack pattern, otherwise we will use name as is. Okay, so let's see. Well, n column, new column, you can say like this. Okay, and then we are creating array, the type of string. Okay, equal to, we are going to run for loop for. Okay, so call this df dot columns. Okay, then we are using yield. Now what we are going to do, in yield condition I'm going to press enter, yield, like this. Okay, so we are going to create a new variable where uh, split name equal to the regex pattern dot split, that is call. Okay, and then what we are going to do, we are going to apply if split name dot length, okay, greater than 1. Okay, greater than 1, then what we are going to do, we are going to apply split name dot mk string. So we are adding like this, else split name equal to 0. And then we are going to run this command. Let's see. Oh, if split. So there is a issue. The name is not correct. Okay, if split this. The condition we have, then this is the split name, else next pattern dot split, that is not correct. Okay, now you can see, yeah, here. So now we are going to print our new columns and run our script. So here you can see these are the name of our columns, like this: new columns, array, age, first name, city name, country name. So here you can see the camel case is changed to snake case. So let's create a new data frame here. So we are going to create a new data frame. So we are going to create is well new df equal to df dot to df and then we are passing new columns, then we are passing all the values star, then we are displaying new data frame. So that is new df dot show. We are going to run this. So let's see the new data frame. Here you can see this is the old data frame and this is the new data frame. For this demo purpose, we have created a new data frame. We can rewrite the existing one if we want to. So you can see after just following these simple steps, you can rename your data columns name from CamelCase to SnakeCase. It is very easy in Scala, and you can read or you can pattern your data columns. Regex, you can utilize the Regex feature as well. Yep. So guys, it is very easy to learn PySpark and Scala in DataBricks. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel. For this demo, we are using DataBricks Community Edition and it is free. If you want to learn Scala or PySpark in DataBricks, you can just create your login in Cloud Database Community Edition and you can utilize and you can learn it. Thank you for watching us.